Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock 2011 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE5, with only 3,188 miles, passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, an electronic suspension, reverse, and an electronic windshield, as well as a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. The thrill of motorcycling meets the stability of 3 wheels, standing out from motorcycles and trikes in a category of their own. Providing rider and passenger comfort, the SPYDER handles smoothly and was built for long days of riding. Powered by a 998cc Rotax engine, the SPYDER puts impressive power through a 5-speed transmission. It offers spacious storage, weather protection, and valuable instrumentation. The SPYDER has a 29-inch seat height and a wet weight of 1,188 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.